Today we have a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're replacing the front brakes and rotors. So for number 22 in our impact, let's remove this wheel. All right, now with the wheel removed, we're gonna go ahead and take this little cap off as well as the one here, and seems like that one's missing. And before we do anything else, with number 11, we're just gonna break this loose, and then we'll get to the next step. So with this broken loose and a hose and a bottle to catch the brake fluid, I'm gonna come up here, put this pry bar underneath, and just push forward, or pry forward, trying to reset the caliper. And as you can see, the brake fluid's going to that bottle I have sitting there, and it's basically just keep going all around until it's nice and retracted back here. All right, so I've gotten this pushed forward, hopefully enough. If not, I'm gonna have to get my double piston brake caliper tool out, which I can't find that. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and remove this with a pry tool, just pushing it. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it. Just also be very careful. Well, for me, because I'm only doing one hand, just kind of push outward like so and let it pry itself out. I'm actually probably gonna use both my hands now. I can't do it that way. But once I do that with a number 10 Allen, we're gonna come back here and take these two off, top and bottom, and get this caliper off. So the caliper and the pad has been removed. Here's the old pad that's still in this, just pop it out. So there you go, we'll install a new one later. Also, before we reinstall these later, we're gonna have to take these out and grease them up a little bit. But before we do all that, let's replace this rotor here. I'll leave that alone for now. So go back here, get this bracket off. Number 22, remove these two here, which will basically free up this rotor, and we can get it off. These come off normally easily, but as you can see, it's rusted, so I'm gonna have to hit the side of it with a hammer or around here, just basically to free that. Quick correction, y'all, I was thinking of the lug nuts. This is 21, sorry about that. So 21 was removed. Now, remove the bracket here, and I've pretty much already loosened this up using my method, but I put everything back on just to show y'all. There will be an O-ring around here. It just, all it does is keeps the moisture out. So you might have to get a pick and just grab it out real quick, and then pretty much after you do that, just come back here with a hammer, putting a lug nut in, just whack away or whack around, however method you like to use, but pretty much it's just on there because of rust on there and this O-ring. So remove the O-ring and just whack away, and let's replace it. Okay guys, new rotor is on. I went ahead and replaced the O-ring. Like I said before, all it does is just keep moisture out and I guess keep it clear. I don't know. Always notice those are weird on these. Went ahead and put this back on. So let's get our brake pads on. Just one slide here and then one on the caliper, and don't forget to grease these. All right, caliper is installed. Number 10 Allens are back in place, greased up. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this here. Pretty much just line it all up right here and down here. Line this here and just kind of push downward. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. And there we go. Just make sure it's all nice and in there, and we're pretty much done. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos coming.